Dad? Copy ko. Bako dyan sa YouTube Gomez ba? Gaw, Kate. Phone na lang, Kate. Para di kahilak.
Sa last part, ako na kahilak. Nag-isa sila.
Excuse me, sir. Kayo bang kamag-anak ng pasyente? Gamit niyo.
Ano basa? Para kay Athena or para sa
Kenneth, anak. I'm sorry. I never realized how much I'm failing to be a good father to you until tonight. I'm sorry if you feel that I don't love you and I didn't love your mom enough. Please believe me when I say that I love you and I loved your mom with all the love I can give. I've decided to cancel my trip to Hong Kong and go to Legazpi instead. You asked me kung sino yung Athena. She is the reason why I'm going back to Legazpi. Not to be with her, but to finally say goodbye. I'll be bearing everything that is left of her. This is my way of apologizing to you and to your mom for all the years you've felt that I never loved you fully. I'm sorry, son. I'm so sorry for hurting you. I want to give you this photo, Kenneth. This was taken during the moment I first knew what real love was.
Oh.
The day you came, nabigyan ako ng bagong rason para mabuhay. You are the greatest love of my life, son. I love you more than I loved anyone else. I love you more than my life. Kenneth.
Daddy.
Dad, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Dad, I'm sorry.
I love you.
Yan, gawa sa dihayan kay dihilak to si Syra.
Pero na kung gano'n na po.
Alo, muna nang makita sila. Ni apartment, ni Roger. Iblo ka mo gina pa-music, pa dyan di ka ganina kahit puro kanta ni Nick.
Anong ginagawa natin dito?
Just trust me.
Tol, kayo na! Hi, Grace! Meron kaming banda ng ganito!
Gangster.
And this is not all, bro.
Meron pa?
This is not all.
Ay, wala pala si Mickey kasi hindi pinayagan ng asawa at maglalaba raw.
Naku, alam mo naman yun eh.
Dad. Kung ikaw you gave a promise to a girl noon, ako rin po may pinangakuan. And we're here to fulfill that promise.
Kakasal ka na.
Hindi po, hindi.